Breaking news coming in at the top of 6:30 p.m. Aam Aadmi Party leader Shazia Ilmi has now been released after being grilled for over 3 hours by the Delhi police at the Parliament Street police station. Let's just listen to what Shazia had to say.
आपको यहाँ बुलाया गया था, आपसे क्या पूछा?
हमसे पूछा गया कि हम वहाँ पे क्या कर रहे थे, हम कैसे वहाँ पे आए। मैंने बताया, मैंने उनसे पूछा क्या किसी भी फुटेज में आपने मुझे पत्थर के साथ देखा है? आपने तो देखा है मुझे वाटर कैनन के सामने, आपने देखा है मुझे नारेबाजी करते हुए या मीडिया के सवाल का जवाब देते हुए। किस बिना पर आखिरकार ये FIR है जिसमें राइटिंग और इतने संगीन मामले हैं? हमने तो कोई दंगाबाजी या राइटिंग नहीं की। तो उन्होंने कहा कुछ लोगों ने ऐसा किया है। हमने कहा बहुत देर बाद जब लगातार पत्थर हुए होंगे, हो सकता है हमारे किसी वर्कर ने किया हो, ऐसा हो तो वो बात गलत है और उसके लिए खुद अरविंद केजरीवाल और हम लोग ने भी कहा कि वो गलत है। हमारे इतने आंदोलन रहे हैं, 3 साल से हम लोग आंदोलन कर रहे हैं और हम लोग कहते हैं आवाज उठाओ, हाथ नहीं उठाओ, पिटेंगे पीटेंगे नहीं। और हम लोग ने बहुत बार मार भी खाई है हम सब लोगों ने। तो कल भी ऐसे ही हुआ कि एक तरफ से तो पत्थर हमें मारे जा रहे थे बीजेपी दफ्तर से और इस तरफ से हमें वाटर कैनन्स थे। तो मैंने एटलीस्ट ये सब होते हुए नहीं देखा जो बाद में हमने फुटेज देखी है। तो ये बहुत अफसोस की बात है जो हुआ और हमने किसी भी तरह से ना तो राइटिंग में हम लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं और इस पूरे पॉलिटिकल हुलिगनिज्म को हम उससे लड़ना चाहते हैं। ये हम तो आवाज़ उसके खिलाफ उठा रहे हैं।
और कितने लोग हैं अंदर थाने में?
नहीं, हम लोग अलग अलग से गए। आशुतोष मंदिर मार्ग थाने में है और हम इधर हमें लाया गया।
Shazia Ilmi there speaking after being grilled for over 3 hours inside the Parliament Street police station. We are joined live by Kamaljit Sandhu, who is at Vijay Chowk. Also joining us live is Rishika Barua. She's outside the Mandir Marg police station where Ashutosh is still being grilled. Kamaljit, let me come across to you. It seems that the arrest of Shazia Ilmi looks very unlikely now.
Well, definitely so. What we also know is that Shazia Ilmi, when she came outside, she spoke to the media very clearly saying that Aam Aadmi Party workers had nothing to do with this. They wanted a peaceful march and they wanted sloganeering against Narendra Modi. But definitely as far as this entire incident goes, we've seen earlier also that as far as Aam Aadmi Party workers were concerned, we saw that stone pelting did happen from both the sides, even though Shazia Ilmi at that point of time did not say very much. But the fact remains that visuals speak a lot. And initially also we've known that Aam Aadmi Party, whenever there is an incident like that, and we know that Arvind Kejriwal's car was stopped by officials, there was a small stone pelting there also. We saw the repercussions happening in Delhi. But the fact is that there is a certain negativity initially which works later on in a positive way for the Aam Aadmi Party. They've done it earlier in Delhi elections. There seems to be a plan in place even for general elections now. It seems to be working fine now. But remember, there is a serious concern. The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi had spoken to Ministry of Home Affairs, especially Mr. Shinde, expressing concern that this was not a done thing. There should not be any street fights. This is a new political law. We know that Election Commission has sent a notice to Aam Aadmi Party. They would have to eventually reply. But right now, they're playing the victim card.
Absolutely, playing the victim card there. Or Rishika also joining us live. She's outside the Mandir Marg police station. Rishika, take us through what's going on inside. What are your sources telling you? Ashutosh had even tweeted a few moments earlier saying, well, they're still questioning me, but there is no arrest that has taken place as we speak.
Well, absolutely, Vedika. It is unlikely. Delhi police sources are confirming to Headlines today that it is highly unlikely that Ashutosh too will be arrested. What we were told was that Shazia and Ashutosh will both be recording statements with the Delhi police on what happened yesterday. It is important to note here that the 14 Aam Aadmi Party workers who were in fact arrested yesterday, there were direct charges that were levelled against them for rioting, for vandalism, for allegedly attacking the BJP office, obstructing the Delhi police in the work that they were doing. So there were about 6 charges under the Indian Penal Code that were levelled against those 14 Aam Aadmi Party workers who were in fact arrested last night. Those 14 people have also been granted bail by the Patiala High Court. And what we're hearing right now is that Ashutosh, who has in fact been inside the Mandir Marg police station for the past 4 hours, was questioned. Prashant Bhushan was also here and his statement was in fact recorded. It is highly unlikely that Ashutosh will be arrested, but whatever happens in the next 1 hour or so, we will in fact have clarity whether Ashutosh is also allowed to walk free like Shazia, or in fact the Delhi police arrest him. It remains to be seen, but sources are confirming to us that it is highly unlikely that Ashutosh will in fact be arrested.
Rishika and Kamaljit, do stay with me. Let's take our viewers through all the reactions on this top political story ever since this incident began this morning.
अरे भाई, ये तो सारा कुछ टीवी पर कैद है। इतने सारे टेलीविजन कैमरास थे, ऐसी ऐसी झूठी बातें कह देते हैं। और आश्चर्य की बात यह है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के कम से कम 15 लोग घायल हुए और FIR भी आम आदमी पार्टी के ऊपर। ये सब यही दिखा रहा है कि अब कांग्रेस और भाजपा दोनों एक हो चुके हैं और मिलकर आम आदमी पार्टी को कुचलना चाहते हैं।
मैं कानून मानने वाला भारत का नागरिक हूँ और लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन हूँ। पुलिस ने अगर मुझे बुलाया है और वो पुलिस कह रही है कि मैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन उनका सहयोग करूं, तो मैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन में सहयोग करने के लिए जा रहा हूं उनके साथ। मैं अपने तमाम वॉलंटियर्स के साथ ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूं, किसी भी तरीके का शोर शराबा, किसी भी तरीके का हंगामा, किसी तरीके का हड़कंप यहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए।
सर हमसे ये कह रही है क्योंकि FIR।
All right, our reporters are still with us. A quick question from Kamaljeet. Kamaljeet, before I let you go, why this softening of stand really by the Delhi police in the FIR? It is mentioned, in fact, that the Aam Aadmi Party was the party that started the violence on the spot outside the BJP headquarters. And what does this really mean? Because there is an election commission notice also for the Aam Aadmi Party. What's the road ahead really?
Well, at this point of time, it's very clear that for Aam Aadmi Party, remember, they had not taken any permission, so there was a certain violation. They've been booked under various violations, but these are bailable offences. In the future, they'll obviously have to keep in mind, right now they're playing the victim card, but definitely the future ahead seems very difficult. But this is more of an attempt to grab the eyeballs, to get the attention. Remember, simultaneously, Kejriwal is in Gujarat in Narendra Modi's turf, so they want to grab the eyeballs. It's also about getting the attention of the voters. In that sense, the strategy is working well, but Delhi police will really have to seek both the sides. Remember, there was not just stone pelting from the Aam Aadmi Party workers, but also from inside the BJP office. They've not booked anyone from the BJP side as of now. So they will really have to clearly go through the video, go specifically. Aam Aadmi Party in that particular sense has been warned that they cannot get away with such an offence. And remember, that is why top leaders including Shazia Ilmi and Ashutosh were called in for questioning. The questioning for Ashutosh is already on, but the rest of them getting bail, it also means that this is more of a warning for the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, that there should be a better sense which should prevail in them.
All right, Kamaljeet and Rishika, thank you so much for joining us. We, of course, will keep coming back to you on that top story. But a war of words has continued to take place between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party on the sequence of events.